Oh yeah, I fixed my audio problem too. That was another one. I had 3 headset problems. That's fine now.
Oh, you don't really need to listen to Gobshite Middleman. I mean, it's in his name, Gobshite.
Good luck, fam.
Joining match.
Well, it better fix.
Remember to mute.
The thing that's different about them that we normally don't play against is just how quickly their aggression is when we have the disc. Straight away they've got one piling towards you, the other 2 in like covering positions. Yeah, which also means getting into spots quicker, or even just calling where you are in a clutch situation. Doesn't have to be a passing spot if they just need to go offload it. But keep these launches consistent, they were good. No pressure.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No.
Underway.
Yep. Going on, one on.
One on. It's alright, let's go up a minute.
Finish.
Boost.
Just walking.
No regrab.
That was the weirdest ass bounce.
Oh man, I grabbed you instead of the disc. Go, come on. I know, it was a bit fun.
What the fuck?
What? That shit get banged, mate.
Go to the goalie.
Right, patch right. That one.
I'd come out earlier for that one. Oh, we were so close there, because if I was able to snatch that, that was in. But I grabbed you right on the disc. Another.
14, 13, 12, 11.
But it was okay. I was covering Ramus more
7, 6, 5,
and punching more.
4, 3, 2, 1. Teams have cleared the launchers. Orange clears it out.
Remus, pass up. Oh. Oh.
Great job guarding the goal. Picked off. Blue throws it way downfield.
Time.
Interception.
There's one in mid.
One flip it back.
Drop shot. Boost me.
Orange clears it out.
Oh, I just threw that. And
Nice getting on goal. Loving that, Finny. Loving that.
I'm loving it.
Round starting in 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Teams have cleared the launcher.
Fuck's sake, before I forget that.
Stay back there.
It's just the one up there. No, they're boosting. On bow tie. Yeah, it's fine. Couldn't be.
Way downfield. Intercepted.
Oh, fuck's sake. Let's go. I'm on you, go. I got it. Oh, I can't delay that, man.
Oh, fuck, that was really light. Sorry.
Oh, man. Good. They're on. We're too slow to get that speed. He's on you still. Nice.
Ooh.
Even if it's like down or anywhere,
Nice
just try and throw it as quick as you can. Doesn't have to be to one of us when it's in the bulks.
Nice save.
Round starting in 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Triversity on your own, go, go, go.
Round starting in 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's game on. Interception. Blue catches the enemy.
No, they're coming back, coming back.
Tactics out.
That punch is still boot.
Oh,
Nice. It was a bounce pass.
I'm right side.
Orange catches
There's
the
a lot in between.
Got it.
clears
That's fine. Oh no, it's coming back.
Blue catches the enemy pass.
How many on?
bit of time, bit of time.
One on you, one on you. No, he's behind that. Boost, boost, boost. My shield does not come up.
Finish!
On you, on you.
Oh, go shape.
Orange clears it out.
Penny, turn
I'm
round.
out, I'm out, I'm out. They're stacking, they're stacking.
Grab me, grab me.
Right, they're stacking,
Gotta
they're
look round
stacking.
straight away, yeah.
Not this time. Snatch.
Thanks for the info. I was turning around anyway, I was like, oh shit, there's two of them.
Round starting in 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Orange sends it back the other way.
Ready, Tennessee?
Got it.
Clear it.
They're all on the right.
Coming over.
Blue clears it out. Blue clears it out of their zone.
Finny, back right, back right.
Right, walk it in, walk it in. Walk it in.
Thank you very much, Runes.
Round starting in 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
We're winning the joust, just go for it to start with.
We won half of the joust, not this one.
Begun. 30 seconds remaining.
Mm,
Good catch.
Clears it out. 15 seconds remaining.
we have time.
Blue clears it out.
Watch out. Pass left. Oh.
Oh,
I said,
That's the end of this round. Blue team is victorious.
did you have us muted? Huh? I was talking to you, ignore me. During some of the game. Like I was saying nice save and stuff. No, that was to you. team ready? Finny, Remus, ready?
Name is ready.
Right. Yeah, I am so happy my internet's fixed. Like, I was jumping all over the place and people were saying I was lagging earlier. Kind of happy that I'm not having this problem. You're probably happy I'm not having this problem. Think what you were doing during the week and then just kind of go, right, why am I not doing it now? Or think, how were you playing last week while you were playing well? And what is different right now? Because, no, that's what I've always done. I've always questioned myself, which works in some ways because I would improve on movement. But if you ever question yourself in the shot, you're going to miss it. Just shoot the shot and get over it if it misses. I like the positioning for the joust, where you have one guy go to the middle to collect that, because it does always bounce there. It will always bounce no matter. Yeah. Right, is everyone ready?
Mm-hmm.
Amos?
Yep,
Cool.
ready.
Let's go.
Middle. I think he's here. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Joining match.
They're just getting like every time I'll get the disc, or even when I wasn't on the disc and just flying about, they had one on. Whether they were attacking or defending, I was just getting punched out. And then when they were bringing the disc up, they just got free passes. I tried to man mark. I go two, and then they just dodge it. They grab the disc, dodge straight away, and fucking carry on. Like I was never there.
That's what they're good at.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're underway. Disc stolen.
It's only you two down there.
Finny, I did
I
what
did
you
hold
said for me
grab.
to do.
On the joust, and it just sent me flying that way.
Round starting in 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
I'm gonna always try headbutt it right, because they've got people catching left. No.
Round has begun.
Clear, clear, clear. Well done.
Coming to you, Gob. They're on.
It's headed back downfield.
Nice.
Blue catches the enemy pass.
Just stop him from getting me.
Yep, you're fine.
1-on-1.
Return to sender.
Sorry.
Ooh, fuck.
It's headed back downfield.
Oh my fucking god.
Intercepted.
Go, Infinity. It's on you.
To boost.
Stolen. Picked off. It looks like we've got a deep
3, 2.
You need the no time call if you see it.
Sweet.
Getting stolen.
round starting in 15. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The round has begun.
My fist just went straight through again. Perfect.
Got them both down here.
Fuck me.
Finney.
Round starting in 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No.
Teams have cleared the launcher. Looks like it's heading the other way. Interception. Orange clears it.
Boosting.
It's headed back downfield.
Hold on. Oh no, come back.
Stolen.
Come back.
I'm coming past you.
I'm not boosting, you got time because you're in the goalie.
Sorry, I missed the grab on you, Finney. My bad, my bad. 3 minutes left. Let's go, let's go.
Good goal.
Round starting in 15, 14, 13, 12.
No, no, not at all, because I went to shield instead of punch and he just stood there like, read me like a book. I'll punch next time. No.
Got a finicky.
Cover the pass.
And again.
Nice.
Just you.
Watch out. Pass back.
Round starting in 15, 14, 13, 12.
I swear all their goals they just placed in.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I stunned the pass there and he just went into goal and put it in. Like,
Entering the arena. What a pick.
I am going right.
Who's it? You're in third.
Way
Get that.
downfield.
Oh, he's got me.
Try and stop the boost. No, I don't have time. Where are you? Oh, tell me if they're boosting though.
Blue throws it way downfield.
Oh, I'm out. I'm out.
Blue sends it back the other way.
Hey, Mr. Round.
Right, shoot.
Oh,
Is he coming back?
let's go, let's go.
Oh, one on you, Gob. Yeah, I know, that's why I threw it. Nice, you got. Oh, no one on. Good block. I'm going
Intercepted.
below.
Quick.
I'm too short, man.
Go on.
Bow. Sorry, man. Oh, we're just going back and forth.
Finney, watch out, watch out.
I'd be further back than that. That could have been bad.
A bit.
Yeah, dude, I'm not going to stay in goal all the time.
Yeah, I know.
Pass.
But as soon as we start seeing them push back, we've got block long shots and shit like that.
It's okay, actually.
I'm out,
Same
I'm
thing
out.
all the time.
Clears it out.
Sorry, it had to be quick.
Orange throws it way
Straight in.
picked off.
Oh, sorry. It's coming back. Cover the passes when you're up. hit my fucking desk again. I'm not in anywhere.
Finny, get ready, I'm grabbing onto you.
Punch him
Watch
out.
out, watch out.
Nice.
Oh,
Good
well
shot.
done.
Finny.
Nice throw, man. Nice throw. Yeah, it's too late now, isn't it?
Round starting in 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Teams entering the arena.
Oh, no, they got it.
15 seconds remaining.
My shield does not come up straight away. It's really annoying.
5, 4, 3, 2.
1.66 seconds. Can you score 3? That is a challenge. Hey, I never know. You could have perfected a 1 second train.
Round starting in 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Teams have cleared the
Oh, we almost hit 5-man there.
Chalk up a win for blue.
No, good game. Good game. Oh, it's in. Oh, no, never mind. What kind of shot was that? Oh. Fair enough.
I'll get those stuns up, guys. We were stunning loads in public. Alright, I'm gonna head off for a break.